Good morning, guys. Myself Sandeep Kumar Reddy from Ingenious Competitive Training Academy. Today, I'll be discussing about the Indian Army is planning to conduct clerk, nursing assistant, technical, as well as general duty and tradesman examinations. There will be no more offline examinations. It will be only online computer-based test. So I request whoever is watching, please watch up to the last. You will find maximum information regarding the online examination, why the army is conducting this. The whole information is given. This is what the paper notification is. You will just have the whole information of this paper notification within a descriptive manner. The whole thing is, we knew whatever exams are conducted nowadays in Navy, Air Force, they are how exactly they will be doing the only computer based examination. This is one thing. How the computer seating procedure, this is the way you have to set. If you don't sit like this, to the right side you can see how exactly she sat with the 90 degrees. That is the best posture. If you don't practice like this, you will have the problems in your back. So before going to that notification, we'll just have a look whatever has been given. I request you guys to check playlist and share it to your friends, and you can join me on Defense ICTA. Near about 800 plus question papers have been given. So please have a look how exactly it has been segregated. Whoever is watching, please share it to your friends. There are way more than 800 plus question papers of various competitive examinations. Once you have a look. Before going to the computers examinations, so you have to be careful with the computer, whatever the system you have been given. So don't do any kind of illegal activities with those computer system. Do not kick or do not pull any wire. So be polite, whatever the instruments or whatever the equipment you have been given. So don't do any kind of illegal activities with those system. Next we have the computer. Before going to that, you should know how to operate the computer mouse movement. If you are good enough in movement, this is one thing you have to learn before going to the examination. People are there who don't know how to operate the computers. That is your problem. You have to learn that. So if you do the computer mouse, how exactly it can be operated, that will be very useful for future examination in your exams of any kind of competitive exams. So this is how you have to hold. Before going to that, you have to practice holding pen along with the mouse. This is one thing you have to remember. This is the way how you have to practice before going to the exam, because you can't hold the pen again, you can't hold the mouse again. So you have to be continuously doing with time management, because if you leave the pen down and hold the mouse and again it start practicing like this, what happens, you will lose the time whatever you have. Within a 1 hour, whatever half an hour, you have to finish in time. So try to practice at home with the pen along with the mouse movement. The exact position of the cursor has to be taken to that respective place. So this is one thing you have to remember while giving the online examination, that is clicking on save and next. Please remember this tag. As you can see down below how exactly the save and next option is exist. This is one thing you have to remember, how exactly you have to check only on the circle. You can see how exactly the circular project arrow was launched by it has given. So you have to click on the respective dots. So on the dot you have to take the mouse. This is one thing where you will find the exact movement of the cursor. That is very important. So if you want to save the time, you have to take that cursor to that place, that arrow mark, and then click on that. Once it is checked, then you have to go down below how exactly, here you can see how exactly it has been given. So this is one thing, mark for review and next. It means that is marked and that can be reviewed next. That is the option if you want to. Otherwise, whatever the correction you had done, you just click on that and clear response. That is to be done. That is one thing. And next we have here save and next. This is one thing you have to do. You have to save and next is one option where you can directly save that question whatever is answered, and then you can go for the next option. So this is one thing. As you can see to the right side, whatever is attended, answered, that will be in a green color. Not answered, that will be in a red color. Next we have the brown color, which are not at all visited. Next is marked for review. As you can see how exactly that has been marked for review. So this is fifth question as well as 10th question. It is marked and I want to see again. That is the way of submitting the questions, and you have to focus on whatever you are doing. So please go through. Once you have to practice twice and thrice, then only you sit in examinations. You don't go blindly, it will be very difficult to understand. Next we have the paper notification. As I had already discussed, सेना में अब ऑनलाइन परीक्षा से भर्ती होगी. So it means we will have the online examinations only. The reason of having this exams is they have created near about 70,000 questions of online examinations. So please be careful. You have to practice maximum questions. Not only the previous papers, you have to go through a lot. That 70,000 questions will be given. You have to practice whatever the sets you may get. That depends on your luck. So online will be, they will be conducting online examination centers. They are trying up with the various examination centers. Whoever is attending, there is no repetition of the questions. The reason of conducting online is because the moment exam is completed, people are getting the paper from the examination center. That is confusing the people whether the paper is leaked or not. In order to avoid this confusion, they had started to think of becoming online examinations, which will be very easy for all the people. So as you can see how exactly it has been given the paper clipping. So here whatever the manipulations are being done, that will be no more. So you have to practice more, so then only you can qualify in the examinations. You will be having the same negative marking, as well as you will be having the problem of computers operating. So don't give any kind of complaints that sir, we have not gone through online process. You have to practice from your end. Even internet centers also try to practice before going there. They are started planning it, so that will be implemented before going to the examinations. Practice, practice, practice. Next we have time managing while operating. This is one thing very important, how you manage the time while operating. That is, holding the pen along with the mouse is very important. One thing is very essential, you can't look here and there. You have to manage the time. Do the easy questions. This is one thing, whatever the easy questions you have, you attempt those easy questions only. Don't flip your head here and there. So then you go for GK and GS questions, whatever. This is very important, very scoring, maximum information will be given. So GK and GS will be scoring, and reasoning also the scoring. And solve the mathematics which are of easy nature. This is attempt easy maths questions. These type of questions are very easy. By using BODMAS rule, you can finish these type of questions and answer the questions concerning to the difficulty one if you have adequate time. If you have adequate time, you can attempt all these difficult questions. Next, English is, if you are applying for army clerk examinations, score English, because English is a very important language, and this is one type of scoring subject where you will find synonyms, antonyms, direct and indirect, active and passive voice, clause test, all this will be there. So you can finish whatever you have, and check the unattempted questions. Whatever the questions you have unattempted, you go for it. You just check whether they are known to you. It is very important to read your answers again in the end. Make the necessary corrections. So once you go back, if your time permits, the cross checking is very important, because at the end of the sessions you will have 25th question that will be unattempted. If you don't say one, do the next. So that is very important. And practice at home prior examination. This is one thing before finishing the exams. This is practicing is very important. You practice in your institutes or at home, that depends on you. You can call me on 7667302252, or you can message me by WhatsApp. This is 2100 PDF of GK and GS. If you are interested, whoever had watched this, please share it with your friends. Let us see what exactly the paper notification says. Here they are planning to conduct this exam because whatever happening in the centers, that is online or whatever, in order to avoid that, they started doing this. Here देश में एक साथ परीक्षा, सूत्रों के अनुसार भर्ती के लिए प्रवेश परीक्षा एक साथ पूरे देश में कराई जाएगी. So all over India, एट ए टाइम टुगेदर देयर विल बी ओनली वन एग्ज़ाम। इसमें कई सेट के ऑनलाइन प्रश्न पत्र होगी। प्रश्न सामान्य ज्ञान एवं सेना से जुड़ी जानकारियों पर आधारित होगी। इट मीन्स वट एवर द क्वेश्चंस कंसर्निंग टू द यू विल बी हैविंग वेरियस सेट्स, that sets will be given, that sets will be again you will be having the different sets, whatever the sets you have been given, that is concerning to the general knowledge and general awareness along with the defense concerning questions। ऑनलाइन परीक्षा शुरू होने से साल में एक व दो बार ही एक साथ देश में सैकड़ों केंद्रों पर परीक्षा करना संभव हो सकेगा। इट मीन्स इट इज़ वेरी डिफ़िकल्ट टू again conduct every time, so only once or it's like twice or thrice they will be having this type of examinations, that from all over the centers. Before there used to be the notification somewhere in Rajasthan, again Haryana, so that will not be there. You will be having only twice or thrice within that time. The all over the places you will be having the exams from the various centers. The selection process will be available. इससे सेना को काफ़ी सहूलियत होगी। इट मीन्स इट इज़ वेरी ईजी फॉर द डिफेंस टू नॉमिनेट द स्टाफ। सेना में करीब 6 से 7 हज़ार जवानों की भर्ती होती है, लेकिन आने वाले समय में यह संख्या बढ़ेगा क्योंकि सेवानिवृत्त होने वाले जवानों की संख्या बढ़ रही है। We knew that every year near about 6 to 7,000 people like students are recruiting, but in future there will be more than 6 to 7,000. That is the reason they started doing the whole selection process very easier. Here whatever has been given here 70,000 प्रश्नों का डाटा बैंक सेना तैयार कर रही है, जिनमें से कोई भी प्रश्न ऑनलाइन परीक्षा में पूछा जा सकता है। 70,000 questions you will be given guys, so please remember, even I have compiled near about 1 lakh in my YouTube. Whatever has been given you will be having more than 1 lakh, so please go for it. I think maximum information will be you will find in my YouTube channel. I am challenging that more than 1,000 videos have been uploaded. I am damn sure my YouTube channel will be one of the best YouTube channel. If you have any one, you please message me. You have the mathematics, reasoning, computers, everything you have in it. You go to the playlist. I request whoever is watching this video, I want you guys to have a look. If you like this YouTube channel, subscribe it. I want you guys to share it to your friends, which will be very helpful for one and all. Here गड़बड़ियों से बचने का कदम, this is the main reason to whatever the manipulations have been done, that to overcome those things. सेना के सूत्रों के अनुसार ऑनलाइन परीक्षा कराने का निर्णय ले लिया गया है। यह कदम बार बार प्रश्न पत्र लीक होने और परीक्षा में होने वाली अन्य गड़बड़ियों से निपटने के मद्देनज़र उठाया गया है। सेना अगले कुछ दिनों में ऑनलाइन परीक्षा कराने वाली एजेंसियों से इसके लिए प्रस्ताव मांगने जा रही है। सो बिकॉज ऑफ दिस मैनिपुलेशंस नाउ द गवर्नमेंट हैज़ डिसाइडेड टू हैव they are tying with the various centers, so that is one thing which is very important in order to get all these leaking and all whatever the manipulations. To overcome those, they started doing this. So whoever is watching this is the time. Wake up guys, have some practice in front of the computer and start working it. You have to practice more. Even we have various question papers in it. Practice it. Once you are clear, please let me know. If you want a PDF of 2100 GK and GS, you can call me on 7666 730 252. Thank you guys. I hope I had done my best. I want you guys to share it to maximum people. Let them get benefited. Have a good day. Have a great life.